Good morning, everyone. I'm currently in the middle of a forest. I decided today that I kind of wanted to just disconnect, come off my phone, be in nature. It's raining, it's windy. This weather is honestly my favorite. I walked here listening to some podcasts, which is my favorite activity. Brought my journal down and I just thought I'm gonna probably sit for like half an hour to an hour here and just not even really go on my phone and just exist for an hour. I just want to exist, be present. I don't know, I just think it's good for the soul. I think I should do it more because where I live, like nature wise, is gorgeous. I live right by the sea. There's a lot of nature and fields and beaches and forests and pretty like hikes and walks, and I just feel like I do take advantage of where I live quite a bit, but there's definitely more that I could do that I don't really realize. That, you know, half-hour walk from my house is like this forest, and I'm like, why don't I go and just sit in that forest? So that's what I'm doing, and it feels really good, and I think I want to do it every single day now. Currently sat on the edge of, I guess, a cliff. This is an eventful video. The sun has come out, even though it does not look like it. The sun has come out and it's actually too hot for my liking. I'm actually really regretting not bringing something to swim in because the sea is looking really, really attractive right now. I didn't bring a towel. If I had a towel, I would just swim in what I'm wearing. Why would I just have a towel if I had no intention of swimming? That would be weird. I actually feel like I could get a tan right now if I wasn't wearing leggings and I lay on this rock for long enough. I think I could get a tan. I have just got back. I decided to have a very chilled evening this evening. I've had a very anxious week. I get very anxious, struggle with anxiety on the daily, but this week it had been like awful. So I took the evening off to spend it with myself, take myself on a walk, have a little pamper shower, an everything shower, I believe they're called these days, which is, you know, the works. The purple shampoo, the hair mask, the face mask, the shaving your legs, the moisturizing. I had an everything shower, did makeup, hair, took myself out for a drink, which is something that I haven't done in a while, actually. Oh my god, I think I did it in my last video. I think I'm lying. Anyway, it just felt overdue. So I took myself out on a little date and I feel a lot more sane, to be honest with you. I think it's something that I would highly recommend to anyone. I think because I'm also someone who, I do a lot of things by myself, I really enjoy my own company. I'm generally like not really out of my comfort zone when I'm doing things by myself anymore, because it's just who I am at this point. But something about going out for a drink by yourself in the evening when it's busy is like, is still something that kind of gets you out of your comfort zone, even if you're used to it. So I feel like that's always something good to do my skincare, get into bed. It's literally like 8 o'clock. But I am tired and that's what I want to do. So that's what I'm gonna do.